things. And remember, when we use that sign in with Apple button, you're going to get a unique identifier for your person, but you also get a JSON web token that has a bunch of other identifiers in it. And you can send that JSON web token to your server. And then using Vapor has a built-in helper that is called jwt.apple.verify. And it uses the identity token that's within that JSON web token and your own app's bundle identifier. That is sent to Apple's server to verify that JWT is valid, and as long as that comes back valid, you'll again get the the app user their unique identifier, that same sign in with Apple identifier that's tied to the iCloud account. So you can use that to pair with their account on your server, and so that way you're doing. It almost feels like a triple check. You're checking it on device when the sign in with Apple button is tapped. You're sending that JWT to your server, which is querying Apple's server and sending back on authentication, and everything is verified.
So